Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Band 9 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this smartband. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel, you should see a bunch of icons, as you can see, and one of them is the Do Not Disturb mode icon, the one that looks like the moon. Once you find the Do Not Disturb mode icon and you want to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, tap on the check mark to confirm. You will see the message Do Not Disturb mode enabled, and the icon will change the color and will get highlighted, which indicates that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And you can then press the side button to go back to watch face. And also on the watch face, you will see the Do Not Disturb mode icon, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel again, tap on the icon. You will see the message Do Not Disturb mode disabled. The icon will go back to the gray color, and the icon from the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. And you can also create a schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode. So basically it will turn on automatically and turn off automatically at certain times. To do it, we need to open the settings. So press the side button to wake up the screen, press it again to open the menu, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon. Once you find it, tap on it, and here scroll through the menu and find the option called Do Not Disturb. Tap on it, and right here scroll down and we have the scheduled category, and under it we have the default schedule every day, and we can turn it on or off by tapping on the switch. But we can also create our own one, so we can tap on Add Time, then we can tap on Start and set the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode should be turning on. To do it, swipe up and down on the hour, then tap Next, set the minutes rather, and then tap on OK, then tap on End, set the end time, so the time on which the mode will be turning off, like that. And then we can tap on Repeat option, and here we can select on which days the schedule should be active. We can tap on the boxes next to the days to check or uncheck the days. I'm gonna check Monday, maybe Friday, let's say Saturday, and then tap on OK. And once you're done setting up, tap on OK, tap on the check mark, and here we have our schedule. And as you can see, my Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on at 10:30 p.m, turning off at 8 in the morning or 8 a.m, and it will work on the Mondays, Fridays and Saturdays. And we can turn it off if we want to, and you can also add another one by tapping on Add time rather, if you like to. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.